Okay, so I just wanted to show you how to turn your nicely crafted material into a smart material so that you can save it and reload it and you don't have to, repeat too much work. So the first thing we need is a folder, and I'll pop that in there, and then we name our folder whatever you want the smart material to be called. So I'll call mine worn painted metal. That's good. And now we grab our two layers and we drag and drop those onto that folder, and then I'll just close the folder to confirm that that worked. And then basically you right click and create smart material, and you'll see it's filtered now, but it's added to my smart materials library. So if I created a new file now, let's use one of the other samples just for demonstration's sake. We use matte and let that come in. I'll delete that layer and then I'll drag and drop our worn material onto his head. You can see that works, as you kind of expect, because it looks like the same model. But let's have a look and pop it on the body. There we go, and let's have a look and see what it looks like on the base. Okay, so that's how you save a smart material. I hope you found that useful. I'll talk to you in another video.